In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an SSL certificate in GoDaddy. If you have an unassigned SSL credit in your GoDaddy account, the activation process is usually very quick, and I'll walk you through it in a simple, clear way so you can complete it without confusion. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. This is where you can view the products and services connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and security products like SSL certificates. Once you're on that page, look for the SSL certificates area. If you have an SSL credit that hasn't been used yet, it will appear there as unassigned. Next, find the unassigned SSL credit and click either Setup or Manage, depending on what appears in your account. Both options are meant to take you into the activation area, so don't worry if the button label is slightly different from what you expected. The goal here is simply to open the SSL setup page so you can connect that credit to the correct website or domain. After that, you'll be asked to choose a domain. Use the drop-down list to select the domain name you want this SSL certificate to protect. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct one, because the SSL certificate needs to match the website it will be used on. This is what helps enable secure HTTPS connections and gives visitors a safer browsing experience. Once you've selected the correct domain from the drop-down, click Submit or Activate to continue. This sends your request through and starts the activation process for that SSL certificate. In many cases, the setup continues automatically after this, but depending on your account or hosting setup, it may take a little time for everything to fully process. As a helpful tip, after submitting, keep an eye on your SSL status in the same area of your GoDaddy account. That way, you can confirm that the certificate is moving through activation properly. If you manage multiple domains, this is especially useful to avoid assigning the SSL to the wrong site. And that's it. Once you've logged into GoDaddy, opened My Products, selected Setup or Manage for the unassigned SSL credit, chosen your domain, and clicked Submit or Activate, you've completed the core activation process.